Hey, what's up, y'all? Thank you for stopping by the Teaching Beats podcast, where we usually teach you guys about graphic animations, 3Ds, and like how to do type of videos. We also got the bare truth on here, which is how it's made. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's another quick tutorial from the Teaching Beats podcast. I'm going to show you guys how to make your text 3D in the 3D program Blender, which is a free program. I'm also going to show you how to animate your text for intros. Let's just say you got an intro to your YouTube channel, or you want an intro to a video that you've created. I'm going to show you how to do a quick intro with the text. I'm going to show you how to animate it. So let's get right into it. So in Blender, you're gonna come to, when you open it, you're gonna have this little square. We're just gonna delete this square. If you don't wanna keep deleting that square, just save your profile right now after you deleted it. Save the profile, then every time you go in, that square won't be there. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add at the top left, add text, okay? Yeah, there's somebody who, actually when I first started, they actually motivated me by asking me how to do certain things, and because of them I kind of started making more tutorials to explain things. Now I decided I'd put their names in this just to show you. It might be like DA, but I'm not too sure, but we're gonna leave it like that. So let's go back. Where's my manners? After you choose text, you're gonna want to go to edit mode, okay, up here, and change this from object mode to edit mode. Now, just type your text. Go back to object mode after that's done. And what you want to do to the right, say you want to change that, there's going to be an A. So in the right properties panel, there's a data object panel. You click that A. Now what you want to do is go to font right here, open that. Your first folder, open that. Now find your font folder. I have two different font folders. I got that one and I got this one. I like this one, so I'm gonna choose this lettering. There you go. If you don't know how to navigate in Blender 3D program, I have a video explaining how I do that. You're gonna right click, convert to mesh, okay? Now you're gonna go back up here, top left, go back to edit mode. It's gonna look like this, okay? What you wanna do is change up here from the dot and the lines to the flat panels, the planes, the faces actually. And now you press A, it should glow like that, right? Now that it's glowing like that, press E, Z, 2 times, because when you press Z once, it does diagonal. And then now you can, as you can see, you can raise it, making it 3D. Look underneath, make sure everything's good. That's right, we're good. Now what you're gonna do is go back to object mode. There you go. Okay, now as you can see, it's kind of like rigid over here, so we're gonna right click, shade smooth. There you go, it's gone, it's gone. Now also you can right click over here, add a modifier. Let's go to subdivision surface. So we're gonna go to simple, change this maybe to 2 or 3. It looks like that. I don't really like it, so let's just go shade auto smooth. We're gonna keep it like that for now. We are gonna apply that. There you go. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to add some gold to this because it looks kind of plain. So on the right panel with this selected, your letter selected, you're gonna go here, this material properties. Now you're gonna go to new, base property. I want this to be gold, so I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna put the metallic up, roughness down. And you guys are gonna say, how come it's not changing? That's because over here, I'm still in the object viewport. So I want it here to be material. See, there you go. But if I go to render, it won't be good. So we're just gonna leave it here just for the sake of this tutorial. I will show you another video when you're changing that render, okay? Now that we have that, we can change the metallic. As you see, the metallic makes things shine. I don't want it to shine too much because then it becomes like mirrory, and I don't find that to be realistic. So I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna put this, we can change that around as much as we want. I think this looks more like gold. Now we can add mesh a plane, GX, S, GY, SY, because we want to. All right, so now we have kind of like a little plane for it to stay on, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add another color to here, base color, Let's just make this a little shiny, shall we? Drop the metallic. Okay, there you go. There you go. So now we have this plane for here. Now, people are going to say, okay, well, you said you're going to animate it. That's right. So to animate it, go to G, click on your object, and you see down here, let me pull this up for you. This is the keyframing section. Keyframes. This is how you animate a lot inside Blender. A lot of things are animated here. So with this selected and this turned on, this blue part, keep that on. Press G and then click. All you see is this yellow diamond, right? Now we're gonna move it up to 60. See me? And we're gonna press RX. Because what I want to do is make this stand up like so. You see it? And just to make it sure it's good, we're going to go here to the side. To do this faster, you can also use the side over here by pressing N and then use the rotation there. But I didn't do that. I took the long way. So as you can see, it's not moving, right? Okay, we'll fix that. We'll go here to this keyframe and we're gonna press R, X. You're gonna bring it back flat, okay? Now that should have fixed it, okay? That's easy animation in Blender. That's all you do for the keyframing. Just move it up, and when it's on automatic, that's it. It's just gonna automatically do it. Now you can manually put in keyframes as well, but I'll say that for another video. Well, okay, that's about it, guys. If you guys learned anything from the video, hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you want to keep learning more on the channel, hit the subscribe, keep the notification bells, and I'll see you next time. But until then, keep learning, keep teaching. Peace.
Can it be on days, made stage of rage, no traps, but I know days in the maze.